Good evening. My name is Grey Skies, and here is the weather. Weather is the same as always, yeah? This is Jamaica. The sun going to shine in the morning, and it going hot, no bitch. There will be scattered showers round about, after which it will be hot, no bitch. Even if hurricane come, rain fall, breeze blow, thunder and lightning lick, as soon as it done, it going hot, no bitch. Tonight, the sky will be dark. If you live into the hill, it will be chilly. But if you live onto the flat, even if it's hot, it's not going to hot if you have a fan. And now, for the long range forecast. It going hot, no bitch. And that were the weather. Hey, we are doing the light, man. When think of sunset, put your hand back, man. I may not come over this and give you a big lick, because if I do, it will be hot, no bitch.
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yadi React. If it is for the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel, and to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Whereby today we dive in onto this video on how Jamaica just gained its worldwide influential as a Caribbean country or island, and in this case we see whereby it is all about comedy. And this case, these comedians are from the foreign lands, and here they are practicing, like on how the Jamaicans usually do, like it has come to a point whereby foreign comedians are using the Jamaican tactics. For we know even the language itself, the Jamaican patois, it's definitely just but a comedy in it. Whenever you hear a Jamaican speaking, you're going to fall in love with it, And so, into this video, we dive in on to know why Jamaica has gained its popularity and the global influential. So let's watch the video to the end, and I'll be back with more.
Born in Jamaica, actually, and my parents make fun of me for being the least Jamaican one in the family, but I think it's their fault for naming me Sarah. I think when they named me Sarah, the ghost of a basic bitch named Sarah moved into my body and gentrified my whole personality. Because when I was little, my mom would cook jerk chicken, and I'd be like, Mom, this jerk chicken is like really spicy. And she'd be like, Sierra's jerk chicken is supposed to be spicy. And I'd be like, Mom, my mouth is on fire right now. It's literally on fire. And she'd be like, Sierra, there are children around the world, all they get for dinner is bread and water. And I'd be like, bread and water actually sounds really good right now, Mom. Like, if I could get a scone and a chai tea latte, that would be amazing. That would be really good. Yeah.
So I stand up there away upon a taxi. A madman see me and start run towards me with a knife. So I run. Okay. When me run, him take out a slingshot, take up a stone off of the ground and shot me in my back. Oh, so you get a back shot. Okay. Then what happened after that? No, squad it. Alright, hear me again. Man, I hear you, man. I hear you. My ears are work. The man run me down with the knife. Yeah. Him pull out a slingshot. Yeah. Take up a stone off of the ground. Yeah. Put in the slingshot. Yeah. And shot me in my back while I'm running. So now that me right down, mom, say you get a back shot. That me right, Yo, Squaddy, you make the thing. You make the thing look away, Squaddy. Oh, me I make the thing look away. Yeah, dog, you make the thing look freaky. Oh, me I make the thing look freaky. How you tell me I right down, I tell you say it's a slingshot. Alright, so me ask you a question. How where the man do? The man shot me. And how where him shot you? In my back. So when you put that together, where you get? Shot back. What? You get shot back. When you put it together, you get shot back. No, brother. No. I know so it go. If you go in front of the judge will tell you say a back shot you get. Charge, that me I try show you no officer, you make it look like a bed man bend over. Hey yo, you take it to a place where me nah go there with you, So here one, me I go call it in and make them tell you what to do. And that me I do, because me nah go there with you. Wherever you go, me nah go there. I'm just call it in. No, me nobody want your help, officer. Me did it myself. Officer, I'm reporting. So me nobody want your help. Me a report a sexual assault in the RF3 area, you know. A man come to me and I tell me say a man run him down and give him a back shot.
Blood clot.
Alright, copy that. Yo, me I forgot to take you to the nearest hospital, you know. Make them check your vitals if you have no STD.
Salmon, buddy. What's going on, man? Look like you freaking out there. All this right now, this drink here. Woo, that was good after a hard day. What happened? It's a problem? I could pay for this drink, you know.
It ain't that bad, it ain't that bad.
What the problem is?
I wake up late this morning, going away, my boss fired me. Go in the parking lot, someone steal my car, the police said they can't help me. Catch a cab. The cab pull off in my wallet and my credit cards. Going inside the house, the garden in the bedroom, my wife. So I leave home, come to this bar, I say, come to end my life. And you come right here and drink my poison.
Say what? What a second.
All right, Mr. Driver. What I am going to do in this part of the test is I am going to describe a situation to you. I want you to imagine it and tell me what you would do in the same said situation that I described to you.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
Good. All right. We're driving along a country road at night. It's a dark night and a windy, windy road. We're approaching a hunchback bridge in the distance. And there's a car parked on the left-hand side of the road. Headlights are coming from the other side of the hunchback bridge, denoting a car coming in the opposite direction. What you would do?
Accelerate.
Hold on a second. You have people on the bus, you know, Mr. Driver. What you do?
Accelerate.
All right, I'm going to give you a different situation. We're in the city, in the traffic, in the rush hour, during the day. There is a car about 4 car length ahead of you, indicating him going to turn left in front of you. What you wanna do?
Blow me on. Then accelerate.
Hold on a second. There are people at the bus stop waiting on you, you know. What you gonna do?
Big people and schoolers.
What?
Speed up. Overtake. Drive in front. Open door. Call the adults. Run the schoolers. Then accelerate.
What if the people on the bus start to scream? What you gonna do?
But the volume on the music.
So you always drive as a driver?
A boss, then a must.
Well, I can't give you a job as a driver on the buses, you know.
But me pass the exams, I want to you.
I'm going to promote you.
Yes!
Make you instructor.
Promotion.
Accelerate.
Yes!
How man for drive on the road?
Accelerate.
How man for drive bus and taxi?
Accelerate.
How everybody in Jamaica for drive?
Accelerate.
Jamaican men have this weird talent where they're able to say the most sexually outrageous thing to you and make it sound like the most beautiful poem ever written by man. And I literally saw it happen the other day. This man walked up to this woman and said, "Me want dive in your vagina and swim around like Poseidon." Sometimes it can be so supportive as well. Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa. Everyone know what a fupa is? For those of you who don't know, it basically stands for like fat upper pussy area. It's here. It's here. Yeah? And I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, "Good pum-pum deserves shelter." I said... Started walking into parties belly first like the Grinch. I said, yes, it's true.
I'm hiding the motherfucker. Give it up for yourself. Anybody been to Jamaica? Jamaica, boy, that shit was not like the commercial. Right, because that's what get your ass down there. That shit, one love. One love. You be practicing your bow like, pack your shit, we leaving. Because the commercials show you all the good shit. The blue water, white sand, beautiful woman. You get down there, they got goats running through the gas station. Right? Niggas on the side of the road with ashy feet trying to sell you hot pineapple. Yo, you like pineapple? You don't like pineapple? You live around here? Them niggas is broke as shit. The cow's smaller than the dogs. They got crackhead cows, them just look sick. Moo. You got something? I seen a nigga doing construction in sandals. Like, nigga, you know a boulder gonna fall on your foot? That nigga like, yo, ain't mean a boulder gonna fall up on my foot. These are steel toe toes. This nigga had a Timberland tree on his ankle. But all y'all can't fight though. You ever had a fight with Jamaican? They start asking you questions when you start kicking their ass. Right? Like, what the blood clots? Who you deal with? What take me for idiots? Oh shit.
Me say, if me ever tell you no what happened, you say a lie. That never happened. So me meet one guy named Isaiah. Isaiah said to me, say, Marva, beg you $30. So me look for Isaiah and me say, Isaiah, you know, supposed to ask me for money, you know, you're supposed to give me money. And you know what him said to me? You know what Isaiah said to me, good girl Marva? Him say, if me put him name on my bank account, him give me the $30. So me like idiot now, go put Isaiah name on my bank account. You see when me put him name on the account? The boy disappeared, nowhere to be found. I could not find Isaiah as soon as me put him name on my bank account. I look for Isaiah, I look for him till I wake. I may not find him. And when me looking at the bank account, every single dollar gone. Isaiah take away my money. Take away everything after me trust him, and guess what? Him not even give me the $30. So right, I know me broke. I'm have to start over. Try again. I want new dance, we're being fine again. Around the street and the lane and round the bend. World dances in the man the tyke. The body dumb, the deaf, the blind and the cripple. And I don't know why black wizard love it so. And a limbo rose is fine and you stem.
Yes, go on, Papa. No. You see him there? Him is very versatile, you know. Him born in a two country. Him born in a Trinidad and him born in a Tobago. But is a man that anybody, any island, any country would be proud of. Because him have talent unlimited. And this evening, him going to unleash some of that talent. So, you not do it. You not do it.
All right, Oliver, all right. Right, good, whatever. Not sure the time. What has happened is, the West Indian people is a strange people. How they get bring up, that is how they get the culture. But because West Indians never tell you that, you just never know. So as we West Indian here, we must tell you that. And I as a fellow is to teach. That is what me art about. So anything you hear me say is how the culture have me. So if you understand, don't let worry. It mightn't be your culture too, because you might grow up the front. No, I will explain to you. West Indian people is a people that fast. Now, in Jamaica, they just say they fasty. In Tobago, they just say they fast. Barbados say they fast. Trinidad has also other thing and say they marcocious. All that means is that they like people business more than them own. Yeah, now I go tell you what. I have a partner right now in Trinidad. They're in hospital. And I go tell you how we get there. It's fast, we have him there. Here we happen. Me and he going down the road normal. It have a high paling. We were wall now. So we walking good. And a man jump up and shout out, 9. 9. We see nobody, eh? Here he sprang a hat to see. I say, left it. It's not we business. 9. It's not we business. Sprang a 9. It's not we left it. 9. Sprang a hat to see. 9. Sprang a going and see. But big stone to face. I hear 10. 10. They're too fast. So, is the culture? Is the culture, yeah? Listen, let me explain something to you. Where we are in the Caribbean, we, like all other metropolitan countries, we have a thing called police. Now, we used to call it in Trinidad the police force. But since we get independent, we want to make them into part of the society, so they are now the protective services. It means the same thing, to protect and serve. Protect you from thieves and thugs and service you with their batons. But, you see, the police is a strange thing. Now, I just get my little pittance, and I like to bank it. And where I live in, it have the bank day, but it rob 3 times in the same week. And obliquely opposite have a police station. So they say they want no more robbery in the bank. So what they do is, they hook on an alarm in the bank that goes direct to the sergeant's desk. So when man come to rob, they mash a button, police come across and apprehend. Nice. Well, everything nice. So I say, well, I could bank in that bank because no more robbery. First robbery after the alarm, the cashier and everybody laughing. You want money, take money. You want to open the vault, they open the vault, they give them all the money, they bring out the garbage bag and they give them money because they know police across the road. Girl mash. You want money, give money, but they wait on the police. You want money, give money. And money go in and the boys go in. Phone ring. Bandit going out the door. Tell the fella, hey, answer that day. When he answer that, the police, a police across there say, hey, all you put on the alarm, we know it working, all you playing the fool across there. That is to protect and serve we, you understand? Now, I tell all the thing about people big, but you have to understand how we get so. And we get so West Indian parents. Now, West Indian parents is a psychic phenomenon understood by no one else but West Indian children. I'll explain to you. The male of the species in the West Indian society is what they call an absentee landlord. He's never home. Therefore, the female of the species take over the whole thing of bringing up the children and bringing up the fathers. The children from small and the fathers for maintenance. You see? So the ladies have readjusted their tonsils, so it's lighter than the gentlemen own. So sometimes you feel the women and them quarreling, but no, they're controlling. You understand what I'm saying? Because the ladies have to be in charge of the thing. Now, in the West Indies, while they're in charge of the thing, another thing does happen. They just beat plenty. So that if you find, you see the parents, they don't have time to bring up the children, they're too busy. So what it does do is just, while they're raising, they just beat the knowledge into them. You understand? So that some people, non-West Indians, find that they find West Indians too aggressive. It's not that. We parents train we. If somebody don't understand something, beat it into him one time. You understand? So that we're not really aggressive. We're following in the footsteps of our parents. You understand? Now, Sundays. A Sunday is a special day in the West Indian society. Everybody home, the absentee landlord, mommy, the picnic, everybody. And Sunday is a day of peace. You just get piece of chicken, you just read piece of the papers, and the children don't give you no peace. It's a day of peace. And strange things happen, especially when the absentee landlord home. I remember a time we sit down home, place quiet. We reading with peace or whatever. And my mother shout out to my father, Harold! Say, yes, dear. Answer the phone. He said, but there the phone not ringing, and you know the West Indian female. That is what I can't understand. All you just wait till last minute to do everything. Suppose 2 calls come. Yeah. So you have to understand me, and then, no. The beating, I must explain the beating. Because the beating is the most formal form of training for West Indian children. There are categories of beating. And it takes on serious psychological proportions. There is a thing called licks inside. And licks inside is not licks inside the house, but licks inside is like this. On Monday, your brother do something, your father beat you and your brother. On Wednesday, you do something wrong, he beat you because you have licks inside. You'll get licks for that already, you understand? Right. And they have a next thing called, it have a thing called in-case licks. Or we have 2 brands of in-case licks. The first brand is, if the neighbor child thief a mango, your father's come home and beat you in case you did plan to go thief a mango too. And then the other kind of in-case licks is that your father going out whole day, wake you up 6 o'clock and beat you in case you do anything wrong when you're home. You understand? You gotta understand these things. Now, they also train you to talk the English language West Indianally. And West Indianally, you talk the English language according to phonetics. That is how it's sung, not really what is the word. You understand? At time my mother carried me in school, she gone by the principal. The principal say, Madam Sprang, your son is illiterate. My mother said, don't be damn past me and his father married before he born. Hear this. At time one of my uncle dead. So we say we go into the wake. Well, you know what is a wake? A wake is a thing that we just celebrate people dead. We just party, and when we're tired, we just bury them. You know that thing? We don't stop the merriment with buryment. You understand, right? So, my uncle dead, so my father tell me, well, let we go up to the wake. Well, I ain't that, but he ain't sure where he living. So when we reach the area, he come up to a man. He say, you know George? He say, yes. It have a wake wrong here? He say, yes. He say, where the dead man living? And we had a 2-story house. And at day my father get vexed out with a sledge and lick down the bottom part of the house. Well, the upstairs, well, that's the next story. Man,
Jamaica, that's my background. I loved it and everything. But sometimes I don't understand the strong parts well. You know what I'm saying? I don't get it. I swear, this guy's trying to pick me up, and honestly, I thought he was just looking for his children. He's like, yo, daughter, yo, daughter. I'm like, you're my dad? He's like, yo, you're cute. You look like you can take some good stubbing. Like, is this a compliment or a death threat? You know what I mean? I started running. He's like, how you gonna be the general? Like, I didn't know you were in the army.
Jesus said to his disciples, do not let your hearts be troubled. Trust in God still and trust in me. There are many rooms in my Father's house. If they were not, I should have told you. I am going now to prepare a place for you. And after I have gone, prepared you.
Mrs. Johnson.
I shall return.
Donovan?
Mrs. Johnson, what a lovely service.
It's not finished yet, Donovan.
No, but look. I've been thinking. We're both single, available people with needs and desires and requirements. And when we put our cards on the table, we will see that I is a man, you is a woman, I is a bull, you is a cow, I is a bear, you is a female bear. It's time for a spot of hibernation. Put it another way. Fate has thrown us together. Who are we to fight fate? I'm not a fighter. I'm a lover. I'm the heavyweight champion of love. I am Muhammad Ali. You are George Foreman. You scratch my back and I'll rub yours with a delicate mixture of jasmine, lavender, and bijou hail. And I'll rub and rub and rub.
It's all right, Uncle.
I'm sure your uncle will not begrudge us these deliberations concerning our mutual participation vis-a-vis sexual relations. After all, he is a man. He enjoys the company of women. Well, he pays for the company of women, but my point...
This is not the time or the place.
Come on. I is a man. You is a woman. I is King Arthur. You is the round table. Here's a teapot, short and stout. Here's me handle, and here's...
And now, Mrs. Johnson will say a few words about her late husband.
I will keep your seat warm for your baby, all right?
Oh, happy day, happy day, oh, happy day. When Jesus walked, when Jesus walked, oh, when he walked, when Jesus walked, when Jesus walked, he washed the sins away. Oh, happy day.
Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, Donovan.
I didn't expect to see you on this excursion.
I was kind of obliged to come. My late husband was a prominent member of the gospel choir.
Oh, well, I'm sure if I could see your choral arrangements, I'd be very prominent too. The M1 is a long, straight, hard road.
Yes.
Come on. You and me should partake in the many joys of the motorway system. Let me cross your central reservation. I want to negotiate your orbital ring road. Oh yes, I've got some motorway services you won't complain about.
Is she bothering you, Ruth?
Oh, no, Uncle. It's all right.
Is this another one of your nieces?
No. She's my home help.
She must be a great helper around the home. I'm sure she keeps your old china well polished. Come on, Mrs. Johnson.
It's Sunday. This is a church trip. If you want to talk to me today, you talk about the good book, okay?
No problem. I is David, you is Goliath. I is Moses, you is the fatted calf. Come on, let me into the promised land. I want to see a burning bush.
You wake my sister. And you know what she thinks of you?
Don't worry about her. God gave man dominion over all the animals.
Donovan, I am a Christian woman.
Mrs. Johnson, I am a Christian man. I has a firm belief in the resurrection. In fact, I has one nearly every morning. All the way. Mrs. Johnson. You know they say travel expands the mind? Well, let me tell you, it expands other things too.
Donovan, I don't have time. I have to arrange the church summer outing before service this evening.
Forget the church. Let me uplift you. I'll take you somewhere you won't need no guidebook. You won't need no street map. You won't need no satellite navigation. Because my compass always points north. Let me put it another way. I, as a pilot with years of experience, come into my cockpit, admire my flight deck, play with my flaps, but go easy with my undercarriage. And then lie back in business class and let me slowly engage my reverse thrust.
Look, Donovan, I'm meeting my sister Esther any minute, and I don't think she will appreciate...
Come on. Let's set sail for the land of total satisfaction. Marvel up my hanker, hoist my mainsail, and if you don't behave yourself, you'll have to walk my plank.
Over here, Esther.
I will lead you into new worlds. I is Sir Walter Raleigh, you is my golden hind. I is Alexander Fleming, you is that bacteria he left overnight in the laboratory.
Who is this man, Ruth? Donovan, this is my sister Esther.
Don't worry, you know. I can fit 2 potatoes on my plate. That is Jamie Halliver. Who is my 2 fat ladies. It wasn't much of a trip, but what a fantastic view. Mrs. Johnson. What a fine rump you have there. I suppose you'll want to weigh my figs.
That's £1.55, Donovan.
I always like an experienced hand subtotaling my items.
Donovan?
Come on. Let me glide down your aisles. Let me take advantage of your special offers. Let me run my barcode over your scanner. Pick up my reward points. I'll let you get your hands on my loyalty card.
Donovan, this is the busiest shift of the day.
I is the supermarket of love. You is my only customer. I is open all hours, and you is more than welcome to put your hand in my till.
Look,
Class sells our very own supermarket sweep. Just give me 60 seconds, and I'll fill your trolley.
Donovan, I have other customers to serve.
They're just jealous of my spending power.
Donovan, you haven't paid for...
Excuse me, sir. Could you come with me, please?
I suppose you want to give me a strip search.
Oh, no, don't worry.
But I insist.
Come on.
You know, you're a very attractive woman. You ever thought of muggling?
I'm looking for something for my nephew. He's 13 tomorrow. I don't quite know what to get him.
Right, well, the chart hits are on this side, past opera. The mini discs are in the next room, and there's computer games. We've got vinyl, CD.
Mrs. Johnson.
Oh, Donovan.
I'll take over from here, young man. We're used to the 3-minute pop song. This lady is a symphony. She needs the firm hand of an experienced conductor to bring out the full range of her instrumentation, apropos the modulation of her bountiful orchestration.
Donovan, I'm on my lunch break, and I've got to get back.
Opera, the music of passion. I is Placido Domingo. You is Joan Sutherland. I is the burning spear. You is the ring cycle. Let's sneak into the royal box. Wait till the lights go down, and I'll show you my magic flute.
Donovan! Oh, hello, Reverend.
Mrs. Johnson. Donovan. All right, Reverend. I see you and I have similar tastes. No. No. This is just for my little boy. Oh, yes. I must get one for my little boy as well. Maybe it'll make him grow big and strong. Yes. Well, I better let you two get on with your shopping.
Donovan, I haven't got much time.
Let's rock and roll, Mrs. Johnson. Eyes like a Richard. You is Fats Domino. Eyes Phil Spector. You is the wall of sound. I don't know put the bop in the bop, she want the bop. But I got a damn good idea who'll put the bam in the wham bam, thank you, man.
You're making this impossible.
For I have seen things that no man has seen, heard things that no man has heard, felt things that no man has felt. I tell you, that's the last Boney M reunion concert I ever go to.
That's enough. I have to get something for my nephew's birthday, and my lunch break is nearly over. So the last thing I need is you getting in my way. Right. Now, where are the mini discs?
I don't know, but I can show you where the 12 inches are.
And I don't know about other cultures, but I know in Jamaican culture, it's cause and effect. They're gonna tell you exactly what's gonna happen. If I punch you, your shit. I don't know the science. I just know that's what was said. If I kick you, you piss blood. Where are you guys coming up with these bars? It's saying. And remember, I didn't grow up with my dad, so my mom, I remember we were in a no frills one day. I'm touching things I shouldn't be touching, Dunkaroos and stuff. And my mom turned to me and she said, if I lick you, your father tell me I'll try and feel it. I went to aisle 3, the nigga was right there.
This is an officer with ICE doing a routine check.
But I'm an American citizen.
We have questions that will determine that answer.
Okay.
Who is the press secretary?
That would be Caroline Levitt.
We want to make America
Great again.
How many points are scored in a football game?
That contain 6.
Who is the best female artist?
Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift.
Okay, last question. Can you say the word hospital? Yes, ma'am. With the H, ma'am. Hospital with an H, ma'am.
Hospital. No, wait. Officer. Left or right, officer?
What is left or right, ma'am?
If you want me left something give you, or you gonna write me up same way.
In Jamaica, a Jamaican gentleman came up to me and said, hey man, you want some spleef? No, I can't smoke pot. If I smoke pot, I'll eat this island. I'm not talking about hitting a buffet or two. The island will be gone. I'll be something of folklore. I remember it came out of the jungle. The great beast. I knew by the stone look in his eyes that everything wasn't gonna be airy. He was a buffalo eater. No buffet, no cry, no.
I go work one day. I never have no money. I just go work and say, oh, me I go and wait. And so I go in and work in the fridge at work. And I see baked chicken, curry shrimp and rice, pasta. I say, God, forgive me. And so when I done, I have food all for my dinner, you know. Hey, one night time them start all a ketchup for me, you know. Cause it become a thing, you know, like a regular I start to eat people food at work. You know. It just so and them could have cooked so good. But me I think about me I cook and bring work food go work and food there already. But me say them call a meeting one day. One girl there she had shut off her mouth, you know. In my mind me I say your food on TV tastes so good, you know. You know if you go answer lady. The food never tastes so good. And them all I come up with all suspicions, you know. Cause them are dialing on the security guard, you know. Every day they come and eat crackers and water. And them big and fat, you know. Them I said, no man, this kid.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you've watched that entire video to the end and you have enjoyed the video, mainly because it was very much fun and eye-catching and amusing to watch, you know, mainly because it was all about comedy and the comedians from different or rather various countries onto the West countries, mainly we can say the foreign countries, and in this case they are practicing and using the Jamaican patois to create content within their comedy, and people are enjoying and are having fun. So yeah, that's why I would say the world would be much boring without Jamaica. And in this case, this just proves to you and shows you on how Jamaica is that global influenced country and island into the Caribbean. You know, yeah, you have seen people are trying to, you know, carry that culture, the Jamaican culture, into bringing it into the modern world and making out content with it. You wouldn't tell me that like you wouldn't want to learn the Jamaican language patois. We have seen a lot of people out here trying to practice that language. I came across a certain video of, you know, the former deputy president of the United States, Kamala Harris, trying to practice the Jamaican patois, despite it saying that she is from the Jamaican heritage. Yeah, but again, you know, you definitely need to learn some of your culture one day or one time. And yeah, we saw it. She was practicing on how to speak Jamaican patois mainly because that's her culture. The deputy president of United States, former. And in this case, here you have seen the comedians from the states. They are using the Jamaican patois to create contents, to make fun, to make people laugh, and into big stages. Like, it's so very much amazing. Like, you can say Jamaicans have done a very much great work in marketing their country and bringing their country in a place and position that it is right now. It takes a very large time and focus for your country to become these of a great country and most recognized country in the entire world, that everywhere you might be walking or going, you will hear people talking about Jamaica. Like, a lot of people currently, if we ask them what's their dream place to visit, they will tell you Jamaica, a Caribbean island. And in this case, people usually forget that Jamaica is not the only island in the Caribbean. Caribbean is consistent, or rather, has various part of countries in it, like the Barbados, Guyana, Haiti, and some more. But again, this case of the influential of Jamaica becoming an influential country onto the entire world is sometimes, or rather, sometimes make some of the people from the other different Caribbean countries feel angered, mainly because wherever they will go and even try to speak up, and the accent, the patois accent comes out to them, within them, people will confuse them in being Jamaicans. I've come across various videos of people, angrily claiming we are not Jamaicans. We are, or rather, Jamaica is not the only country in the Caribbean. Like, it is consisting, or rather, it consists of other different countries. What would make Jamaica become this influential? People have been talking about their culture, their heritage. People have been talking about the nature into this country, the beautiful sceneries, a lot has been talked about Jamaica. In a case that you come around and find that even foreigners from different countries will come around giving out their opinion about Jamaica. Like, there was this Arabic woman who went to different various countries in the West to seek for medication, mainly because she had an illness, and yet she got no cure until she decided to visit Jamaica. And just by stepping into Jamaica and the nature, the climate and Jamaica itself, the illness just disappeared. Not only that, there was a man from the Caribbean country, I think it was Trinidad and Tobago, and he said he was ill, but when he went on and visited Jamaica, despite of it being a neighboring country, he went to visit Jamaica, and the man claims he was healed just by the climate, just by it. That's the main reasons why Jamaica is becoming an influential country, and people are supposed to be, like, agreeing on to these and accepting these, the Jamaican dishes. Like, a lot people have talked about Jamaica, and it does make sense. And for me, I'll agree with it, and mainly because this is one of the countries that I usually have got that dream to visit one of these coming days. And may the Almighty continue blessing me and giving me the strength. Maybe one day I'll visit Jamaica. So if you're a Jamaican out there watching me, yeah, one day I will definitely be in Jamaica. Maybe you can host me or whatever, mainly because this is one of the countries into my bucket list that I will definitely visit. Yeah, so guys, let's come around, share our thoughts through the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much, guys, for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up to my next videos. All I want to say is peace out there.